Hi friends, welcome to our channel Travel Junkie. In this video, we will be taking you across the Mapro factory in Wai. This place is on the way towards Panchgani. So let's go. And yeah, if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe. So here we are. We are at the entry point where you have to first register your details to get inside. There is ample amount of parking space. Friends, don't get confused. This is Mapro factory with Mapro gardens. There is another place called Mapro Gardens which is there in Mahabaleshwar. In Mapro Gardens, they sell the Mapro products and have a garden. But here in factory, we will take you to the tour of different manufacturing units, and of course, there is a sales counter here also. Here in factory garden, there are many strawberry plants of different types. They look beautiful. Here we are at the chocolate unit. There is a big flagpole hoisting our Indian flag. Sorry friends, we are not allowed to take photography inside the chocolate factory. Next, we are going towards the Khakra factory. Here you can see the Khakra getting prepared. The process is done by machine and it's operated by 2 people. Here we can see how the Khakra is processed and made. Now next we move on to the veggie store, where you can purchase the fresh and organic vegetables. Look, the vegetables look so fresh. I am definitely going to buy some. Now we are in Central Park. There is a restaurant here, so you have an option to sit inside the restaurant or outside in the open area. There is a food court also. Pizzas, some snacks are available here, sandwiches. Now we are heading towards the store. The store here has huge varieties and options. You can have juices, fruit concentrates, jams, sherbet, sauces, ketchups, chocolates, coffee powder, candies, and many more. And as Mahabaleshwar is famous for strawberries, so you can buy authentic strawberry related items here. All in all, it's a best place to hang out and spend 2-3 hours of your time. There are in between tasting counters also, where you can taste the stuff and decide which one you want to take back home. Signing off guys, we'll get back with more videos. Until then, tata, sayonara.